In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your account data from Grok. If you've ever wanted a copy of what Grok stores about your account, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. We'll open the site, sign in, navigate to your profile settings, locate the email management area, and request a full download of your data. I'll also share a few simple tips so nothing gets missed. First, open the Grok website in your preferred browser. A modern, up-to-date browser works best, and a stable internet connection will make the download smoother. Head straight to the official site rather than a saved third-party link, just to be safe. Next, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally do and complete any two-factor prompts if they appear. If you manage more than one Grok account, double-check you're signing in to the exact one you want to export, because the download you request will be tied to this login. Once you're in, go to your profile and then open Settings. You'll typically find your profile or avatar at the top right. Clicking it should reveal a menu that includes Settings. This is where most privacy and account tools live, including the data export we're after. Inside Settings, locate your email section and click Manage next to your email. This confirms the contact where Grok will send the download link. If you see multiple contact options, make sure the primary email is current and accessible, since the export link will arrive there. Now, look for the data area. Open it, then choose the option labeled Download Account Data and click Download. You might be asked to confirm your choice or re-enter your password for security. After you submit the request, Grok will prepare your archive and send a message to your email with a secure link. Give it a few minutes, then check your inbox. If you don't see it, look in spam or promotions. When the email arrives, open it and click the download link to save your data archive to your device. The file may be compressed, so be ready to unzip it. That's the full process. Quick recap. Open Grok, log in, go to Profile, open Settings, click. Manage on your email, head to Data, select Download Account Data, then use the link sent to your inbox. Keep the file in a safe place and remember that this exports your data. It doesn't change or delete your account. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to download your Grok account data.